Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are reviewing words with R controlled vowels. The syllable type vowel R has the pattern one vowel followed by the consonant R. The consonant R affects the way the vowel sound is pronounced. Our first word is park. P-R-K. Park. Please write the word park with me. P-R-K. Park. Remember that A-R says R. Please pause the video and write park 2 more times. Our next word is fork. F-or-k. Fork. F-or-k. Fork. Remember, O-R says or. Please pause the video and write fork 2 more times. Number 3 is girl. G-er-l. Girl. G-er-l. Girl. I-R, U-R, and E-R all say Please pause the video and write girl 2 more times. Our next word, number 4, is march. M-R-ch. March. M-R-ch. March. A-R says R, like a pirate. Please pause the video and write march 2 more times. Our next word is burst. B-er-st. Burst. B-er-st. Burst. U-R says Number 6 is porch. P-or-ch. Porch. P-or-ch. Porch. O-R says or. Please pause the video and write porch 2 more times. Number 7 is farmer. F-R-M-er. Farmer. This is going to be a longer word, so make sure you start right at the beginning of the line. F-R-M-er. Farmer. Farmer has 2 vowel R patterns. A-R that says R and E-R that says Please write farmer 2 more times. Our next word is sharp. Sh-R-p. Sharp. Sh-R. Sharp. A-R says R. Please pause the video and write sharp 2 more times. Number 9 is storm. S-t-or-m. Storm. S-t-or-m. Storm. O-R says or. Please pause the video and write storm 2 more times. Number 10 is first. 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 IR says Please pause the video and write first 2 more times. All right, when you are done with that, please turn your paper over. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Boys and girls, we are working with UE today. UE makes the long U sound. So let's take a look at our word bank. We have the word argue. UE is saying U, the long U sound. Then we have the color blue. B-L-U. Next word is Q. K-U. Then we have clue. K-L-U. Then we have dual. D-U-L. Then we have fuel. F-U-L. Fuel is just another word for gas. Then we have glue. G-L-U. Then rescue and tissue. Some of these are a little tricky. So the first picture, I'm going to help you with a couple of them. The first picture is a picture of a dual. D-U-L. Dual. Then I'm going to remember to cross off dual when I'm done using it. Then right here we have on the bottom row in the middle we have a cue stick. K-U. When you play pool, you use a cue, which is right here. This is what a cue is. Then I'm going to come to my word bank and cross off cue when I'm done. And then look on that bottom row again with the arrow pointing at the sky. What color is the sky? That's right, it's blue. B-L-U. Blue. I'm going to leave the rest up to you because I believe in you. We have argue, clue. Ooh, I see a detective with a magnifying glass. Fuel, which is another word for gas. Glue. Rescue. Look at that firefighter right here. Looks like he might be saving a kitty cat. And tissue. Go ahead and finish this page. When you're done, make sure your name is on your paper. Turn it into the basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.